shit, we get there. Fuck it. Yeah, that's way too many cops out.
It's all about that money, not the shit between the thighs.
Those are fast. That's the newer version of the one we've seen over there. It's cool, huh? Damn, cuz we should have kept them on Malonas.
Okay, Jim, there.
A ver si sí. What you got under this, bro?
6.2.
6.2?
Nah, just playing 4.8 with headers and intake. No, it's
4.8?
Yeah.
That's sick. I had a 4.8 too. Them bitches get up, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just got it like 2 months ago.
No way.
And I added the headers already in the intake.
Nice.
Now I'm gonna get some welds this week. We're gonna be lighter.
Let me hear it. That shit hard.
Thank you, bro. That's the brushless in it, so it goes 60 miles per hour plus.
God damn.
And it really soon watch. I'll show you.
I need to check that out.
This motherfucker will really do much shit.
I really too. It's not as much because I'm really about it.
Yeah, hell yeah, that's hard. Damn, that bitch is fast as fuck. I can't have shit like this, but I crash it quick.
Bro, nah, they're durable. Like, watch. And you can
okay.
swap out the frames too.
That's
And they have like full.
That's what mine
They have full carbon fiber.
Really?
They have like full carbon fiber frames that you can do too.
God damn.
It's a carbon composite frame from factory.
How much you pay for something like that?
For mine, for a stock one like that, it's like 345, something like that.
But that's without battery and charger, so right now they're about 400.
Yeah.
Que vienen los marihuanos.
Get behind me, say.
Ay, ay, ay. Órale, compa, on the wells. Santa María Madre de Dios. Damn, they smoked that shit up with that burnout, huh? Oye. That's just VIP'd out. That's just sick. Oh shit, there's 3 of them bitches. I'll find out this little homie from Monrovia. Oh no. Let me find out this little homie from Monrovia. Damn, cuz. You got a lot of camber, cuz. This is clean. Man, this is pretty sick. Like it's fucking 5 series? Oh shit. Christmas in there. That's a sick hill. Oh, this is a purple car. Hell yeah.
Man, that video was crazy.
So the meat got raided. I don't want to run over this.
Yours?
Yeah.
Bro, this thing is fucking nice, dude.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate it, man. Have a good one. Thank you. Crispy.
All right, bro.
Damn, the wagon looks sick.